the only serving officer, I believe, who was close to Sachin Waze and being investigated in this particular case. His name is Riaz Qazi, was part of Sachin Waze's key team, knows all the secrets. The NIA has gone on record to say that he was part of the team that destroyed the evidence. He knew about the conspiracy. He's played a key role in all of this, and we have now live with us Priyanka joining us on the broadcast. Priyanka, what has the NIA said on record?
Niranjan, massive development this with Riaz Qazi, a very close aide of Sachin Waze, in fact now being sought to be arrested by the NIA. Of course, in the court itself, the NIA is seeking a custody of Riaz Qazi for over 10 days. They're claiming that Qazi himself had been very much closely working with Sachin Waze. He had in fact been assisting him in not just carrying out these conspiracies of Mansukh Hiren murder case and the Antilia bomb scare, but also he was involved in destroying the evidences that were found in the Methi River itself. They have said that Riaz Qazi in fact had been working on behest of Sachin Waze. And let us not forget that Riaz Qazi is the one that we had seen in the CCTV footage that had come out in front of a shop where the fake number plates had been made from in Vikhroli. All of those things are also now being considered by the NIA. He had been questioned almost every day for at least 10 days that the NIA had been asking him questions. But today, the NIA has actually officially arrested Riaz Qazi and claimed that he had also played a vital role in carrying out these conspiracies of both the Mansukh Hiren murder case and the Antilia bomb scare, and not just those, but he was also working in destroying these evidences as well. The defense team of Riaz Qazi as of now inside the court is claiming that he had maintained a diary in which he had written all of these details, and if he was actually a perpetrator of the crime, he would not have an official record of all of these. But the NIA is adamant, Niranjan, in claiming that Riaz Qazi had played a vital role in carrying out the Antilia bomb scare conspiracy and the Mansukh Hiren murder case as well, which is why they're claiming they also have sufficient evidence to suggest that Riaz Qazi was not just working on the say-so of Sachin Waze, but also working with him in carrying out these two conspiracies and destroying the evidences as well. Remember the DVRs, the fake number plates, the other evidences, CPUs that had been found from the Methi River. There itself, that is one particular aspect of the entire investigation where they're claiming that the evidence was tried to be destroyed, and Riaz Qazi in fact played an important role in this entire conspiracy, which is why they need a 10-day custody of Riaz Qazi to question him about how far his involvement was. And not just that, they also want to specifically question him about the gelatin sticks that had been procured and who had actually helped them in actually procuring these gelatin sticks that had been placed outside Antilia in a Scorpio car. Niranjan.
Thank you for that, Priyanka. The story is developing here in Mumbai. The only channel, you won't find the story anywhere else because we're the only channel tracking the extortion racket and the complete conspiracy. Waze was arrested. His team is being picked up. They're all being investigated, one after the other.